We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today we're going to be looking at the Ferris stand-on blower, the FB1000. So this is the Ferris FB1000. It is a stand-on blower. We're going to take a quick little look at some of the features on this. It does come with a 18 horsepower Vanguard engine. Your dipstick here, and your oil. There are two chokes. We have one here. There's also one up here in the controls. So this blower does have the Hydro Gear 3100 transmission system. Here you have your time meter, parking brake, down here there is a patent pending foot control that Ferris has put on their stand-on blower. This model comes with a 5-gallon fuel tank. If you're interested in this blower or any of the mowers that we have on our YouTube channel, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these mowers and blowers in stock, but we also have some great trailers that we can make package deals for you with, or some handhelds that you might need as well. We can mix and match for whatever your needs.